there's been a couple of issues with assignment 04 depth of field, and particularly the submission format. You're going to be submitting one table in a PDF document. In this requirement 04 underscore depth of DOF underscore last name, your last name underscore first name, your first name. But not only that, you are to submit all of your photographs in JPEG format separately. And there's a video on how to submit your JPEG formats on that. And particularly the problem has been that students have been submitting their files in kind of the incorrect format. I need to see all of your files loose and not in a table or grid. That's not what I want to see. I want to see individual files that are submitted loose. So the other thing is the grid is really pretty and I do appreciate that, but that's not what I'm asking for. I also don't want to see, you don't have to do this, you don't have to label with the you don't have to put on a document your exposures. That's not what I want. Thank you very much for doing that. Like, I don't need to see your f-stop, shutter speed, and ISO on the photograph itself. That's what we have the table for. The other thing is, I don't want you to submit a Word document, because Word documents are not going to be, I'm not asking for that. I'm asking specifically for a PDF document. Now, in our table that I have here, you can copy and paste it. There's a link right here on the top, which will lead you to this page. You can use this page and then go File, Save As, make a copy. So you're going to make a copy because it's not editable. Make a copy. And then when you're ready to submit it, you're going to export it in a PDF format. So once again, I want to see your files loose. I don't want to see them in a grid or inside a Word document or inside a PDF document. That's not what I want. You are not required to put the text on the files. You don't need to do that. But here we have this one person. She has single files ready to be submitted. And what we're missing is the PDF. So if I wanted to, I could submit this PDF and and the loose files, but not a grid or a bunch of files on one page. Number one, I need to see the metadata. Number two, when you do that, you make your files degrade in size so they appear fuzzy. And when they appear fuzzy, that means they're out of focus and you're going to lose points. The other thing is, remember on this assignment, you're going to photograph the images for every f-stop that you have in your camera. Now, I understand that in the student example, I only put the first f-stop and the last f-stop, but that's only just for the example. I want to see all of your photographs on all of your full f-stops. So a full f-stop is 32, 22, 16, 11, 8, 5, 6, 4, 2.8, 2, and 1.4. I also don't want to see quarter stops or eighth stops or 1/2 stops. I want only full f-stops, and that is available at the top of your assignment. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.